And the next phase of road work on the Westbound U.S. 10 project will begin on April 15th. The project will be along Westbound U.S. 10 from 7 Mile Road to Bay City. This work includes rebuilding the Mackinaw Road bridge and building 2 roundabouts along the overpass. Traffic will see single-lane closures on eastbound and westbound U.S. 10. Starting on May 10th, the Mackinaw Road bridge traffic will be detoured to Midland Road and west to Garfield Road, as well as south to Salzburg Road and west to Garfield Road. The project is scheduled to wrap up in November.